Hello and welcome. DTVR here. Sorry. And you're joining me on what is rather a wet day. Didn't realise that cyclist was right behind me then. The rain is more of a fine mist now, but it has been coming down rather non-stop. Wasn't sure if to go out or not and do a video, but I've got me trusted brolly with me and have a little walk down by the canal and have a little stroll around. It's quite warm now. I didn't expect it to be as warm as what it is. But it's rather mild. Now I've started my video off down here. I'm going to head towards the canal, but then I'm not sure where else I'm going to be going. So we could end up anywhere. I'm going to try and make the most of it, and hopefully the rain should subside soon. Still got quite a lot of rubbish over here, and there's still quite a bit of furniture been abandoned, and this is still up for sale. Got a letterbox just there, and we've got the canal just here. As you can see, the weather, it's damp. But I do like filming when it's like this, because not many people want to come out and film. Well, I say not many, quite a few people do come out in a lot worse conditions than this. I do like it down here, and it's quite relaxing. So I'll bring you down, get a nice view of the water, got a lovely view of the bridge as well. Farmer's Bridge just there. And now I normally start my video from the other side of the bridge, but I thought I'd do it this side today, be a little different. Gonna have a little stroll. The wind is kind of taking my brolly, gotta keep a firm grip. Hello. Did notice I don't really put myself on camera all that much anymore, but it's not because I don't want to, it's just I forget to more than most times. I'm too busy filming what's in front. Got another one of these. Saw one of these the other day when I was filming, when I was heading down towards by the Sainsbury's. Like big snakes or logs. I don't know what they are, they're weighted down because they're not moving with the river. How peaceful. Last time I walked this way, I think just round the bend up here, someone had decorated the tree with, I believe, cans and bottles. It was near a bench, so I'll have a walk up as far as that, see if it's still there, and then I'll head back, and then we can skedoodle somewhere different. Got some red berries on the trees. I hope everyone enjoyed the little autumn video at the Clent Garden Centre. It was a spur of the moment thing. I actually just went there just to have a look round, saw their autumn collection and couldn't help myself. I did ask permission and they was more than happy to let me do a little bit of filming. I am just trying to remember just whereabouts the bench was, because when I was here last it was all bare, there was no leaves, so I've got a feeling I might walk past it in unintention. No, here we are. And it's still here. It is still here. And there is the bench. I didn't know if I'd be able to find it, but if I just walk down here, there's the tree. Bit odd. Oh, I can see one can. Don't know if there's any more. Can't see any. It was definitely around this area though. We do have a little stash of cans over there. But yeah. And we've got Packer Backer there. Just walk through a little cobweb, tickle my nose. Bear with me. Ugh, that's better. And that find some of these little cobwebs, you don't see them all the time, you just walk through and it feels like someone's got a little feather duster on your nose or on the side of your cheek. A little bit pointless, but you know what, it's good to be out doing a bit of filming. A bit, even if it's just a little random walk like that, you know, it's a bit of content. Nice stroll along the river, the canal side, not river. And we can have a little mosey and see what else is around. It is a bit later on in the afternoon than I'd normally do. I do tend to come out a little earlier. I like to be out and doing a bit of filming around the 9 o'clock, 9:30 mark. Very nice and peaceful. Sometimes in the afternoon you can get quite a few people around, but I'm hoping with the weather like today there's not going to be too many people about, so I haven't got to be all that careful about filming. Obviously some people don't want to be put on camera. Let's have a little spin round. Seem to be walking into the rain more so now, as it's coming in with the wind. But what I'll do, I'm going to stop filming and then I'll find us another little location. I'll head somewhere a little bit different and I'll begin filming again. I'll see you all in a moment. I've put walking in the rain on hold. Decided to come back indoors and just chill for a bit. Hopefully the rain will stop soon, but it was getting a little bit uncomfortable and walking around, and the brolly wasn't really doing much, so I thought, you know what, I'll stop and have a cuppa. Yeah, nice cup of tea and just there, and then hopefully if the rain knocks off, I'll be back out doing a little bit of filming and carrying on the video.